How to use Twitter in China. As you know, Twitter.com along with other websites from Western world are blocked by Great Chinese Firewall, and today you're going to learn how to bypass this firewall and use Twitter in China. So let's start. As you can see over here, when I tried to connect to Twitter.com while I'm in China, it says that the site can't be reached. So in order to bypass this great firewall, we are going to use a program called VPN. Every time I go to China, I use ExpressVPN. In my experience, it works the best while being in China. However, in the description of this video, you'll find a link to ExpressVPN and two alternative VPNs, PureVPN and NordVPN. Both of them should also work very good while being in China. So ExpressVPN and other VPNs are applications that can be installed on Mac OS. We can use it on Windows as well as Android and Apple phones, so iPhone or iPad. So all you need to do is click on the link, go to the website, get the application, and once you install the application and turn it on, all we need to do is down here click on location and then choose location with which we want to connect. So I would recommend connecting to Hong Kong or USA location if we want to use Twitter. However, you can test out other locations as well and see which ones will work best for you. So let's say I'm gonna choose Hong Kong. I'm gonna click on Hong Kong twice. As you can see, my VPN is already connecting, and as soon as it connected, we can go back to our application on the phone, or we can go back to our web browser on the computer and then try to connect to the website like Twitter again. And as you can see, as soon as I connected to my VPN, Twitter is already accessible. I can use Twitter while being in China. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.